reviews.
Heat is nice to use while you're in motion. How's it going? I'm Asiel Hardison. I'm a dancer choreographer here today with Desire Company, and I'm bringing you something that my PT let me borrow for rehearsals this week. And this is a product from Hyperice. It's called Venom. It's a knee pad that vibrates and heats. I discovered this brand last week when I went to my PT. He told me that this would be a good brand for me to take to rehearsal. It's got these two Velcro pieces that wrap around the top and one in the middle. I've used this not only on my knee, I've used it on my calf, and I've also tried to use it higher up on my quads to get the heat and the vibration going over there. It has 3 temperature levels, low, medium, high. There's 4 vibration pieces in here. The wave kind of bounces around. The pulse one will use all 4 simultaneously. They'll just pulse and then release, pulse and release. And then there's also the constant vibration, which I like because I just like a nice vibration to let the muscle just begin to relax out. There's a timer on it, and I think it goes for about 15 minutes, which is kind of nice. I definitely do recommend this for anyone who's doing any strenuous activity, who needs like some quick recovery or therapy on the knees or anything on the legs. You need something during rehearsal. This Hyperice Venom product is really nice because the heat kind of loosens your muscles up really quick so you can get out there on the dance floor or in the gym and like get back to work.